Dance with the people you know. You know
July 27th, 1934, from New York University News Headquarters in New York. This is The Daily Show with Arthur Miller.
I love how you all automatically get silent for me. You may not know this, but I was actually the original host of The Daily Show before those two other clowns took it over. One of us is going to have to change.
Are you feeling self-conscious?
I think I look great. So, we have an exciting show for you tonight, but let's make this a truly interactive audience. We're going to be cold calling in the audience today. Okay. So we have an exciting show. We're going to be talking about Erie v. Tompkins. Now, let's see here. Miss Wiley? What? Why are you sitting over there? I swear, this is the first class in my 50 years of teaching you can't tell their right from their left. Miss Wiley, can you please tell us what are the facts of Erie v. Tompkins?
And their voices were soft, and their questions inviting. There was a time when I could answer, and the answer was a song, and the song was exciting. There was a time that I took Cipro. Hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that it would be so easy. I dreamed my professor would be forgiving.
Miss Wiley, we're waiting. Miss Wiley, did you do the reading? You look like the Yankees in the wild card game. Unprepared. Enough of this. We're just going to send it out to our senior locomotive dismemberment correspondent, Aaron. Aaron, can you come out here?
Thank you, Arthur. I'm live from Hughestown, Pennsylvania. It's the birthplace of Ralph Nader's grandmother. She was a dear, dear friend of mine. Other than that, it's a pretty awful, dreadful place.
Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga chugga chugga.
What happened?
I was walking home next to the track to see. There was something hanging out, it must have been me. Well, it knocked me down and it cost me great harm when the locomotive got off my arm. Oh, I know, I'll sue the locomotion company.
Somebody here say Sue. I can help you with that. Yeah, I can. Back here. Let me tell you what to do. Oh, well, I know we can do it, but we can't use state law.
Good, how do we sue the locomotive?
If we go to federal court, they'll use general law. That's how you can sue the locomotive. Pennsylvania state law is a piece of work, so we'll go to a federal court in New York.
So come on, let's sue the
Locomotion company.
Well, there you have it. Back to you, Arthur.
Thank you, Aaron, for giving us the comic book version of the facts. But now we want the meat and potatoes. Ms. McLean, are you with us?
Yeah.
Ms. McLean, can you give us the arguments of the case on each side? It's another dream.
When I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted, there was no question left unsaid, no question wrong, no class untested. But the cases come at night with their holding soft as thunder as they tear your hope apart, as they turn your dream to shame.
Ms. McLean, we're waiting.
Was that the case with the hobos on the boat on their way to the jungle?
This isn't your torts class. Ms. McLean, you're bass backwards. Can anyone tell me what the arguments of the case are?
We've always said the swift doctrine a capital J, which we'll never forget lest they cart Swift away. We've always said that Swift is best. We may have said uniformity's good, but the Swift doctrine law sure ain't no Robin Hood. We may have known what the 34 said, our boy Warren looked again, and that general law's dead. The states have their say, the written laws are kicking, credit would be there. But who gave them the power when Congress did it?
Stop! In the name of law!
Where? It's the police!
No, it's the Supremes.
Once or twice, but it's Swift's interpretation worth all this discrimination. But before we jump into Butler's arms and fall for President John, think it over. What would Justice Holmes have done? Think it over. It's illegal usurpation. Stop in the name of law.
Alright, I've had it. You can have your Erie. Let's go Swift.
Okay, so we have the decision of the court. Miss Casellas, are you here? Miss Casellas, does this mean that section 1652 applies to courts in equity as well? It's the last dream.
I dream the answer'll come to me, that I'll impress all my classmen. But there are dreams that cannot be, and all my answers will be bogus. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now Civ Pro's killed the dream I dreamed.
Speak up.
No?
Do you feel the air going in one ear and out the other as you fall through the trap door? I've had it with this class. I'm just gonna get someone from my previous class, one of the TAs, to help us out here. Michael, can you come tell us how this is done?
Sure thing.
our second look. Oh, sweetheart, give me one more chance.
Show you that I love you.
Won't you please come back into our court? Oh, we have got to let you go.
Let you go, baby.
Now that we see how bold you are, red light set now.
Constitutional.
Erie rules now.
Constitutional.
Federal common law.
Constitutional.
Oh, sweetheart, give me one more chance. Show you
Won't you please come back into our courts? Oh, baby, we have got to let you go. Let you go, baby. Now that we see how strong as you are.
Oh, sweetheart, give me one more chance.
Tell me that I love you. Won't you please come back into our courts? Oh, baby, we have got to let you go. Let you go, baby. Now that we see how wrong that you are.
Also, a few items we would like to give you. In honor of Erie v. Tompkins, we have a set of train cufflinks. That's right. Nope, there it is. And you mentioned that you like pens, but we decided quill might do as well.
Oh, you want the arm? Here's the arm. Okay, here. And of course, to add your collection. Is that nice? Fingernails? Everything's really pretty.
I don't know that any of you have been up in my office, but if and when you come up, this will be added to a collection of arms from your predecessor. Well, that was lovely. That was lovely. Particularly pleasing was the fact that so many of you participated. Now, you're all not back in the room. Did some of you skip out?
I think all.
We're surprised this is
Not true. There's it. Something to expect.
Very, very